We live in this community, we have done well in this community, and we always want to give something back. I knew former mayor of Nepean, Mary Pitt. Back in 2006, I got a call from her that she would like to see me and see if I would be interested in joining Queensway Carleton Foundation board, and that's how the whole thing started.
I knew Nishith long before he became a member of the board. I was the one that convinced him to come on the board. And he always says, "You're the one who talked me into this." He's made a great impact on that hospital. He's been a fantastic chair.
When Nishith joined and I became part of that, I felt like a family in that hospital community. Whichever way we can contribute by helping the hospital, I'm happy to do that.
I was actively involved as a member of the board and then as a vice chair and then chair.
We make Nepean as our home, like later on, settled here, raised our kids here. And I realized that having a hospital in your community is very important. It has to be continuously growing and to come to that level where it can support the whole community. For that, we have to keep supporting the hospital.
Over the years, we have done 5 or 6 events. Initial events were basically raising awareness about the Queensway Carleton, getting people involved. Then, I believe 1 year, my wife offered to do a fundraiser, Spring Bling, I believe it was called, and that was very successful.
Myself was very happy to see that I can do something good for the hospital's fundraiser side.
We enjoyed doing that, and it was good for the hospital. So we have done several events over the years. Whenever there was an opportunity to bring people together, we did that.
Nita and Nishith were just such a delightful family to work with, and it really speaks to, it does speak to family and how the foundation is beyond just a formal financial transaction, and they've done some tremendous fundraising and support for Queensway Carleton Hospital.
For a hospital to stay as a world-class facility, you need new equipment. So it's important for community to support hospitals so they can buy this new equipment. Myself and my wife have done whatever we could for the hospital and will continue to. It is very important to have good hospitals in the community. This is what makes a good community. The more you give, the more you get. It makes you feel proud of what we have accomplished over the years.